Hi everyone. Today I want to take a minute to talk about Sale-a-Bration, which starts on January 5th and runs through the end of February. Now Sale-a-Bration is a tiny bit different this year. Normally it ran for 3 months, so it would go through March, and so they've shortened it. So it only goes until February. And also they've eliminated the idea of new products being released throughout Sale-a-Bration. So in the past we had a Sale-a-Bration brochure, but then we had some other products kind of get added into Sale-a-Bration throughout the length of it. And so that was confusing because you'd have some things in the brochure, but then some of those would have sold out already, and then there'd be new items added, and it was hard for customers to keep track of. And so they're pressing the easy button this year, and I think that's great for me. I like easy. And so everything in this Sale-a-Bration brochure is all that's going to be released during Sale-a-Bration. So there will be no surprise add-ons later on. So that's nice. So then you know exactly what your choices are. Another thing is it's only going to be for 2 months, so they've kind of geared the products towards things that are available and they won't run out of. So there's no dyes in here that come from across the ocean, so they're all here. Everything is made here in North America, so actually we will not run out of stamps because Stampin' Up makes our stamps, and the paper is also things that we are going to be able to get. So you're not going to have things sell out before the Sale-a-Bration is over, which has happened in the past. Now also, because this is only 2 months long, they're going to add another sale. This used to be our kind of big sale once a year, and they're kind of decided to shorten it and then do another one in July. So this is the Sale-a-Bration for kind of the winter springy season, and then there's going to be another one later on in the year that you can take advantage of too. That'll be a little bit different than this one. So we're not sure exactly what's going to be in that one, but for this one, January 5th, we know everything that's going to be on sale, and I want to show you exactly what those products are so you can start thinking about what you want to get during Sale-a-Bration. So there are 2 tiers of free products available. There are products that are free with a $50 purchase, and there are products that are free with a $100 purchase. So you can decide if you do reach that $100 level, you can decide if you want to get 2 of the $50 threshold products or just the 1 of the 100, and you can do the same thing. If you reach 200, you can get 4 of the 50 or 2 of the 100. So anyway, any combination that you see. And if you have ordered from me in the past year, I have sent out Sale-a-Bration catalogs and spring mini catalogs to all my customers who have purchased in the last year. So if they haven't necessarily gotten to yet, they have gone out, but I have heard that bulk mail is taking a little bit longer, and so you may not have gotten it yet. Whenever I mail them out to customers, I always mail one to myself. These come from Stampin' Up in Utah from their printer, so I have one mailed to myself too, and I have not gotten mine yet. So I know they did go out. The company has told us that they've gone out, but I know that mail is a little spotty right now across America here because of COVID and a lot of shortages in staffing at the post office. And also I heard that we've had record numbers of things being mailed at Christmas time this year. More Christmas cards went out than ever before, which I think is really kind of cool. As a card maker, I know that cards can bring joy to the recipient and also to the person who sends it. So I'm glad that people sent out more Christmas cards than usual, but I know that our postal service is at max capacity. So these are taking a little longer, but I will have them posted digitally on my blog, bestpapercuts.com, and at my Stampin' Up site. And there'll be links in my newsletters and things like that too, so you'll be able to see it. But I'm going to show you what is available in the Sale-a-Bration brochure. Now, I'm not allowed to open it and show you page by page. They're not letting us do that until after January 5th, so you'll have to go to my website to see the catalog then. But for now, I can show you the products. So I'm going to do that. Now, there are a couple different paper options, and one of them here is called Flower and Field, and this one is beautiful florals here. I love this daisy and a little blue. Let me see if I can do one of like each page here. I think I had it set up that way. So the front of the, well, I don't know which is the front or which is the back, but one side has a floral image, and then the other side has kind of a pattern. And I want to make sure you can see all the fun papers here. I think I got them all. Oh, there's so many, it's hard to show you. But this is Flower and Field. Look how pretty that is. And I really like the fact that they give you a floral, but then also some patterns, and that they all mix and match. I love the colors. So this is one of the $50 options, free with a $50 purchase. And then we have another floral, this one called Paper Blooms, and this one is kind of a softer floral, and I like that there's kind of that bright and dark with a black background, and then here we have a softer floral. So these are really pretty. Again, with the floral on one side and kind of a pattern on the back, which is nice. Oh, there's so many. There's 12 sheets of 12 by 12. Let's see if I've got them all for you here. Smaller floral. And oh, I like this one. This is one of my faves. And then also a pink background. So really, did I show you that one? Really fun papers here. Really like these. So these are some great spring florals. And this is also free with a $50 purchase. There's one more paper pack free with a $50 purchase. What did I do with it? This one is a big stack of 6 by 6. So those were 12 by 12 and you got 12 sheets of each. This one is a 6 by 6, so you get 40 sheets. Or is it 48? 48 sheets. And these are ombre, light to dark, and you've got a few different colors here. I think there's 4. You've got Granny Apple Green and Bermuda Bay as your kind of cool colors, and then you've got Rococo Rose and Blackberry Bliss as your kind of warmer colors here. And so you've got just a couple patterns, but a lot of each pattern, so you can make multiples. And I love these colors. These are my favorite, but I like these as well. And I love this ombre look. So you've got just a solid and then also this cute little circular. 48 sheets. Free with a $50 purchase. So those are your paper offerings with $50 purchase. Then there are some $50 with stamp sets. Let me show you those. I think this one is my favorite. It's called Approaching Perfection, and I think it's really funny. I like the whimsy of it. The bad news is I forgot your birthday. The good news is I forgot your age. How funny is that? And then, so what if you're a year older, you're fabulous? I can imagine a bunch of these candles kind of across the whole top of a card, so many candles. If things really do get better with age, then you're approaching perfection. Super cute. And then I like this one. Newsflash. Birthdays found to be good for your health. Studies show that people who have more birthdays live the longest. So super fun. I like this one. This is a cling stamp. This is free with a $50 purchase. It's just really cute and funny. Another cutie patootie is Darling Donkeys, and it's just got these cute little donkeys. So fun for coloring if you love to color. I saw a card on Pinterest where someone had taken this donkey here. Demonstrators have been playing with this one for a while. So a demonstrator took this donkey here and they cut out 2020, and the donkey was kind of like kicking 2020 away, and it was kind of like a New Year's card. Really cute. Anyway, really fun donkeys, Darling Donkeys. These are both free with a $50 purchase. There are 2 more. These two, those are more funny and cute. These are more pretty and lovely little sentiments and a pretty floral. So Corner Bouquet. I'm imagining that you could do a few different things with this one. I think emboss resist techniques would be nice. Really pretty backgrounds on this Corner Bouquet. And that one's also a cling. And then this one is called Heal Your Heart. Now, how sweet is this one? It's got a beautiful scripted thank you and sorry for your loss. We're in this together. Just really nice sentiments that are great for your stamping collection. It's always nice to have things like this in your stash. And it's also a cling. So those have all been cling sets. And these are the free with $50 purchase. Now, level 2, the $100 purchase, you've got this one here called A Touch of Ink. Now these look small on this cover, but that's because they couldn't fit them all. There's actually 2 sheets of stamps on here, so that floral down here at the bottom is actually, look at how much bigger it really is in reality. So these stamps are much bigger than shown. It says 65% images, so they're actually bigger. And I really think this is a pretty, you can layer them or use them by themselves and color them. Really a nice stamp set. A Touch of Ink. It has some really nice sentiments too. I like this: hope, love, thinking of you, hello friend, thanks so much, and best wishes. And so these are great to have, I think. I love this little background too. So A Touch of Ink, this is free with a $100 purchase. Really lovely stamp set. The next one is a bundle, paper and stamp. Look at that. It's called Berry Blessings, and you get the stamp and paper bundle for free with a $100 purchase. And this one is really pretty. I like the 2-step stamping, so you've got an outline that you can use, or you can use them together with the fill-in, and that's up to you. And it's just really pretty. Blueberries and a little raspberry and little stems, really nice. But my favorite, I think, has to be this paper. Look at this. I love this little pattern here. Super pretty. And then you've got the blueberries on the other side. Love that. And then here you've got kind of like a little strawberry pattern, like the little seeds, and on the back some strawberries. So there's 2 of those. And then you've got these little guys here, little berries on one side, and then the back of that one has this little pattern. How cute is that? Here's the back of the blueberry one. I think this one might be my favorite. It's hard to say which one of this pack is my favorite. Here's some really cute strawberries, and I love the way they're painted. Really fun. And the back of this one is this really cute gingham. Here's another really fun pattern. I'm gonna have to, and then on the back of that one, some just all the fruits together, the berries, I should say. And then here we've got tiny little berries, and the back some leaves. So I think this paper is just fantastic. I really love this paper. I can just imagine using a ton of this. I just really love it. So you get the paper pack and the stamp together free with a $100 purchase. One year at the end of Sale-a-Bration, they did let us buy some of the paper by itself. Maybe they'll do that, because I can imagine I'm going to use this paper up and I'm going to want more of this paper. So let's hope that they do that again. Now I want to show you one thing from the mini catalog that you're going to love, because it goes with this. So even though this is not free with purchase, I'm going to show it to you anyway. It's from the spring mini catalog, and it is called Sweet Strawberry, and it matches. See how that looks the same kind of artistry? And then you've got a punch, and this punch has a punch for the strawberry and the leaf and the little topper and the flower. But these papers in here go perfect with Sweet Strawberry and Berry Blessings. So this is one thing you could think about purchasing, the Sweet Strawberry bundle. Well, that's not going to get you to your $100. So this is free with a $100 purchase. This is only like 30 something. So it's not going to get you there. But think about this in addition to some other things and getting this free. And it is so pretty. This is my fave. Love it. I love this blue right here. That is fantastic. Pacific Point is that color. So you get some cardstock and some inks and the Sweet Strawberry bundle, and get this for free. So pretty. Now there's one other offering going on, and that's the Join deal, and I want to tell you about the Join deal because I think being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator is fantastic. I've been a demonstrator for 15 years, actually more than 15 now. Time flies. And so they always offer a Join deal. And when you join Stampin' Up!, you get the same deals that customers do. So when you do make a purchase, you're going to get free Sale-a-Bration stuff too. So I was able to get free Sale-a-Bration items. This past month, we get to do it early. So we've been getting free Sale-a-Bration stuff all of December, which is really fun. But part of the Join deal is with your starter kit, they add things to it during Celebration. And this time they're adding these paper packs. And there are a lot of paper packs here. You get every color family. So you get the brights, the regals, the neutrals, and the subtles, the color families, and then the newest of the in colors. So you get a paper stack of, there are 40 sheets in here. So there's 4 each of each color. And so it's going to give you a nice variety because you're going to have all of our core colors and then the latest in colors. And they're all tone on tone, so you're going to be able to use them with anything. So this is Magenta Madness and Bumblebee, Cider, what is that called? Cinnamon Cider and Misty Moonlight. And there's just Jade in here somewhere. There it is. And then you get the other color families, everything in the Brights family, everything in the Neutrals family, everything in the Subtles family and the Regals family. So you got all your colors, and that's a really nice start. Now, normally these packs are $11.50, I think, in the regular catalog, but you're going to get all 5 packs free in a starter kit. Starter kits are just $99, and you get to choose $125 worth of things, anything you want. You can choose all ink or all stamps or any combination of paper, stamps, ink, markers, whatever you like. And then on top of that great deal, you get these paper packs, which are normally, like I said, $11.50-ish each. So that, what's that? Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. So there's that $57.50-ish. I can't do math. In additional free products, so that's really great. You're paying $99, you get free shipping on that, and you're going to get all this just thrown in there for free. You also get some catalogs and things like that, and they usually give you a Paper Pumpkin voucher, so you can try and see what Paper Pumpkin's all about. That's our subscription kit, so you'll get that, and then whatever it is you chose for your starter kit. So I'll do a join video. I always do a join video during Celebration. I would love for you to join my team, and if you want more information on that, please contact me, and I would be happy to answer any questions on that join deal. I think it's a great deal, and you get nice perks throughout the year, a nice discount, and I think the Stampin' community is my favorite. I just love being part of the community of stampers. Actually, I really like my Stampin' friends, and so I think that's fun. But also, Sale-a-Bration, a good time for both customers and demonstrators. So for customers, free products with purchase, and that is going January through February. January 5th it starts, and I'll have this up on my blog so you can page through it and look at the pictures of the samples. Are all adorable, and I'll be making samples too. I finally have my kids you know, they're in school at home, so it's hard to get time to stamp these past days with Christmas and the craziness, but now I kind of have a few weeks where they're not going to be in school, and so I can just kind of sit in my room and not worry about what they're doing. and I'm going to play with all my fun new products, and there's a whole new spring mini catalog as well, so there's a whole bunch of new coming your way. I hope that you'll check back and look at all the fun products. Thanks so much for watching, and again, contact me if you have any questions at all about Sale-a-Bration or about becoming a demonstrator. Bye!